Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add flip cards to your Wix website. Flip cards are an excellent way to display information in an interactive format, making your site more engaging and visually appealing for visitors. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with different options. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the specific site settings you need to access. Now you'll see a preview of your website settings. Take a moment here to make sure this is the correct website where you want to add the flip cards. It's always good to double-check before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. From this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to proceed. This button is your gateway to editing the actual design and layout of your website. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. Here's where things get interesting. Open a new browser tab and type in commonninja.com. Make sure you log into your Common Ninja account if you haven't already. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the plus Explore Catalog button. This will open up a library of all the widgets available for you to use. Now locate the search bar at the top part of the catalog and type in flip cards. You'll see different types of flip cards appear. Hover your cursor over the type of flip card you wish to use and click the plus Create Flip Cards button. A flip card editor page will appear. This is where you can really customize each card to match your brand and content needs. From the content panel, click the drop-down to start editing individual cards. You can add a description, choose the media type, and add an image for each card. You'll also have the option to change the secondary title and rating for each flip card image. Take your time here and repeat this process for all the cards you wish to include in your widget. The more customized your cards are, the more professional and engaging they'll look on your site. Once you've finished customizing all your flip cards, click on the Save Changes button. You'll be prompted to choose a location to save this widget. Click on the drop-down to select where you want it saved, then click Save Changes again to confirm. Give it a moment to process and save your settings. After saving, you'll see a confirmation window indicating that your widget is ready to use. Look for the copy code option and click on it. This copies the embed code you'll need to place the flip cards on your Wix site. Now head back to your Wix website editor tab. In the Wix editor, locate the Add Element button on the left navigation menu and click on it. From the list of all available elements, find and click on Embed Code. Within the Embed Code options, look for Embed HTML and click on the plus button next to it. A code editor window will appear on your screen. Now paste the widget code you copied earlier from Common Ninja into this window. Once pasted, click on Update to apply the code. All you have to do now is resize and position the flip card widget to wherever you want it to appear on your page. You can drag it around and adjust its size to fit perfectly with your existing design. And that's it, you've successfully added interactive flip cards to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.